Chris here. Wanted to show you how I did the framing for the sliding glass door that we're putting on the end of this 20-foot shipping container. So I showed another video how we did some of the cutting on the end here to cut that off, and then let's look at the framing, which is, let's just say, a little unconventional. So for the threshold down there, I just have one 2x4 pressure treated. And then the way I secured all this to the shipping container is by putting a series of through bolts that go through a 4x4. So you can see on this side how we did it. And then if the lighting cooperates, see on this side, so you zoom in a little. So I think I did 7 of those on each side, 1/2-inch bolts, and I did a bunch of them, and thick bolts because I just wanted to be really strong and rigid. And for one big reason, if we ever decide to move this shipping container, I want to be sure the sliding glass door will be safe there. There won't be any shifting around. So then coming from off the 4x4, just did another 2x4, a little spacer, another 2x4, and that actually got me to the rough opening that I needed, which just worked out really nice. So I just used those to brace up that big header. 4x8 should be more than beefy enough, and just kind of tied it all together with screws, and screwed it into the floor. I didn't screw anything into the ceiling. I just put another 2x4 on top of this top 2x4 and just like kind of wedged everything in there and just made everything as tight as possible. So I think in a nutshell, that's how I did the framing. I found it super quick and easy. Didn't have to do any welding, bring out all my welding stuff. So this was just really nice. And now I can hopefully just slip the sliding glass door in and do some little finishing stuff and siding, and we'll be good to go. All right, thanks.